dear friends. In last class we have discussed about three-dimensional geometry. In that three-dimensional geometry, direction ratios and direction cosines of a line and its examples. In today's class, let us discuss about equation of a line in space. That is, equation of a line through a given point and parallel to a given vector. Here in this coordinate system, let vector A be the position vector of point A of the given point A with respect to the origin of a rectangular coordinate system. Let L be a line. Here L be a line which passes through a point A. This line passes through a point A and is parallel to vector B. This line is parallel to vector B. And let R vector be the position vector of the point P with respect to the origin, that is an arbitrary constant, that is point P on the line. Then AP vector is parallel to vector B. AP vector is parallel to vector B. That is, vector AP is equal to lambda into vector B, where lambda is some real number, that is lambda belongs to R. AP vector can be written as OP vector minus OA vector is equal to lambda B vector. OP vector, that is OP vector, is equal to R vector minus OA vector is equal to A vector is equal to lambda B vector. Therefore, R vector is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. This is the vector form equation of a line. So now that is called as equation 1. The next, Cartesian form of equation of a line. Cartesian form. So let R vector be the position vector of the point P of x comma y comma z, and vector A be the position vector of the point A x1 comma y1 comma z1, and let A comma B comma C or direction ratios of the line. Then OP vector, that is equal to R vector, is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, and OA vector, that is equal to vector A x1 I plus y1 j plus z1 k, and also OB vector, that is OB, or that is direction ratios vector B, direction ratios vector B is equal to AI plus BJ plus CK. Substitute the values of R vector, A vector and B vector in equation 1. That is R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. Therefore R is xi plus yj plus zk is equal to A vector x1 I plus y1j plus z1 k plus lambda into ai plus bj plus ck. Therefore xi plus yj plus zk is equal to x1 I plus lambda ai, that is I is common, x1 plus a lambda I, that is x1 plus a lambda I plus y1 plus b lambda j plus z1 plus c lambda k. Now equating the coefficient of I, j and k, that is x is equal to x1 plus a lambda, y equals y1 plus b lambda, and z is equal to z1 plus c lambda. So these are parametric equations of the line. Now eliminating the parameter lambda, that is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. So which is the Cartesian form of equation of a line. Now example 1, find the vector and Cartesian equations of the line through the point 5 to -4, and which is parallel to the vector, and which is parallel to the vector 3I plus 2j minus 8k. Find the vector and Cartesian equations of the line through the point 5 to -4 and is parallel to the vector 3I plus 2j minus 8k. Let point A, that is 5 to -4, that is OA vector, is equal to vector A, that is equal to 5I plus 2j minus 4k, and is parallel to a vector, that is vector B, is equal to 3I plus 2j minus 8k. Vector A given point and is parallel to vector B given. Find the vector equation of the line, that is vector equation of the line is vector R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. Therefore, R vector is equal to vector A 5I plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda B vector 3I plus 2j minus 8k. This is vector equation of a line, and Cartesian equation of a line, Cartesian form of equation of the line, that is equation x minus x1 by a equals y minus y1 by b equal z minus z1 by c. Here x minus x1 is, that is 5, dividing by a is 3, equals y minus y1 is 2, y minus 2, b is plus 2, equals z minus z1 is minus 4, dividing by minus 8. Therefore, x minus 5 dividing by 3 equals y minus 2 dividing by 2 equal z plus 4 dividing by 8, which is the Cartesian form of equation of a line. Now, example 2, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line which passes through the point 1, 2, 3 and is parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 2k. So find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passes through this point 1, 2, 3 and is parallel to the vector 3i plus 2j minus 2k. Here also let point A 1, 2, 3 it is equal to vector A equals it is 1 high or high plus 2j plus 3k. Vector B is equal to 3 high plus 2j minus 2k. Now point vector A and vector B, point vector A that is parallel to the vector B. Now write vector equation of a line, vector form of equation of a line. Vector equation of the line is or vector is equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. Therefore, or vector is equal to vector A high plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda into vector B 3 high plus 2j minus 2k. This is vector form of equation of a line and Cartesian form. Cartesian equation or Cartesian form of equation of the line, that is x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Therefore, x minus x1 is 1 dividing by a is 3 is equal to y minus y1 is 2 dividing by 2 is equal to z minus z1 is 3 dividing by minus 2. So which is the Cartesian form of equation of a line. The next example, find the Cartesian equation of the line. Find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through the point minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the line given by that is given by x plus 3 dividing by 3 is equal to y minus 4 dividing by 5 that is equal to z plus 8 dividing by 6. Find the Cartesian equation of a line which passes through this point minus 2, 4, minus 5 and parallel to the line that is given by x plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 by 6. Here also let A is equal to minus 2, 4, minus 5. It implies vector OA is equal to vector A minus 2i plus 4j minus 5k. The direction ratios of the line x plus 3 by 3 equals y minus 4 by 5 equals z plus 8 by 6 or direction ratios or 3 comma 5 comma 6. So now write Cartesian equation of the line. Cartesian form of equation of line. Equation of the line is given by x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. Therefore, x minus x1 is minus 2 dividing by a is 3 is equal to y minus y1 is 4 dividing by b is 5 is equal to z minus z1 is minus 5 dividing by c is 6. Therefore, x minus into minus plus x plus 2 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z minus into minus 5, that is z plus 5 dividing by 6. So which is the Cartesian form of equation of a line. The next one more example. Find the Cartesian form of a line is the Cartesian form of a line is x minus 5 dividing by 3 is equal to y plus 4 dividing by 7 is equal to z minus 6 dividing by 2. Says Cartesian form of a line. So using this Cartesian form of a line, write its vector form of equation of a line. Here in this Cartesian form of a line, so let vector A is equal to 5i minus 4j plus 6k and direction ratios be 3i plus 7j plus 2k. Therefore, vector form this is or which is the vector form of equation of a line. Okay students, stop here. So we'll continue in next class.